back to another video. I know I haven't announced the winner of the giveaway yet, but I will soon. I just haven't had time to actually, you know, do all of it, put the names in, and then generate the winner. It's gonna take me a lot of time to do that, so I'm thinking I might announce it maybe Tuesday or next Friday for sure though. And yeah, so I had the GTR for like 2-3 weeks already. 2 weeks actually, I think, or 3, something like that. And the mods are starting to come in. So the first thing that I'm gonna be doing for the GTR is Apexi power intakes. I got these intakes actually before the car even got to my house. So I had these intakes for a while. I just haven't had, like I said again, the time to put them on. I have a lot to do, and then my work schedule isn't the best, so I hardly have any time to really film and do what I need to do, you know. So be patient with me, please. I will get to everything, just need some time, you know. So yeah, today we're gonna be installing the intakes on the GTR with the help of Alex. Alex is gonna come over and help me out, so we're just gonna wait for him, and then, you know, we'll see what the intakes do for the car. So I'm excited, so stay tuned. All right, you guys, Alex ended up flaking on me, but I got my gloves already, and it looks like I'm gonna be doing this solo, so let's go. So what comes in the box is you got the 2 intakes, you got where they go to, some gaskets, some brackets, and like 1,000,000 bolts. So all of this is gonna be going right here. This is my stock air box. So instead of 1, I'm gonna be having 2 intakes, and we'll see what difference they make. So I can't wait. Let's go. All right, I have no idea what I'm doing, and I don't even know where to start. So this is gonna be fun.
1 hour later.
An hour later, and this is my progress. I still haven't been able to take off this stock air box. I took all the bolts out of this, but there is 2 bolts that I need to take off underneath right here, and they're kind of hard to get to. So I've been, you know, struggling to get them off. But I really had to go poop, so I'm gonna take a poop break and then I'll come back. I'm back. Poop break is over. I'm so relieved now. Sometimes you just take that really nice shit that, like, as soon as you're done, it's like a whole new you. And it's a whole new me right now, and I'm ready to get this shit done. So let's get this shit done. You want to say something, George? No? Alright, so I was finally able to take it off with the help of George. Thank you so much. It is, what time is it? 9:12. I've been trying to do this for like 2 hours. So we finally got it.
Brakes, right?
Yeah, since we started your brakes. Finally got it. Now it's time to put the actual
Hardware in there.
filters and shit in there. All right, thank you, George. Thank you very much, my friend. If it wasn't for him, then these wouldn't be in. So, you ready to start it up?
Let's go.
All right, here.
Hold it.
Woo.
Let her rip, tater chip. Whoa. Definitely sounds a little louder.
It does, right? I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit, and then I'm gonna rev it. Oh, you feel all that? Was that the fan?
Yeah, it's spinning.
Hey, can you try to close the hood? Can you try to close the hood?
Oh yeah. The bonnet.
To see if it if we put it in right. So she said. Idle seems fine. 1,000 RPM. Hood closed. It's good. Alright, I'm just gonna let the car warm up a little bit and then we're gonna go take it off for a test drive, so stick around. Alright you guys, the car is just about warm. So let's take it off for a test drive and see what's new, see how it reacts. Alright, so far nothing out of the ordinary. Gauges are working fine. Temperature is good. Oil pressure is good. Gas is good. For now at least. Once I do a couple pulls then it goes down by like a quarter tank, right? Moment of truth. Woo! Okay. Definitely a little peppier. That's for sure. Okay, I am pretty satisfied with this, to be honest. I didn't expect it to make this much of a difference, but the car now, it's almost as if it spools up even faster. Holy shit. That's so much fun. Wow. That is so fun. Listen to it. You hear that? It's just a little. Woo-hoo. Oh my god. Oh, there goes the pops. Oh my god, you guys. You have no idea how fucking happy I am right now, to be honest. Oh, Subi. Alright you guys, first mod on the R32, check. I want you guys to guess what else I got for the car. And there you guys have it, finally installed the intakes after having them for like a month already. Thank you guys so much for literally all of your support. I can't believe I hit the 1,000 mark already. So I'm gonna be doing the giveaway soon, don't worry about it you guys. I am gonna do it. Just need some time to get everything settled and then I'll announce the winner. But if you haven't subscribed and you still want to be entered into the giveaway, then you still have some time to enter. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like literally right now. Other than that, like I said, thank you guys so much. I appreciate all of your support. And yeah, leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.